Hey everyone, so today we are going to do another problem statement like we've done in our previous classes to find the side length or the area of the square. So the problems that we've done so far, we get an image or some kind of a drawing along with the problem statement. But today we just have the problem statement, so we have to understand it clearly to be able to come up with a diagram, because if we don't understand it correctly and we end up making the wrong figure, so it can lead us to finding the wrong answer. Okay, so what does the question say? Jason cuts a square cardboard. Okay, so we know there is a square. Okay, let's draw a big square. Okay, try to draw as big images as possible so that you can clearly write stuff and understand. Okay, so Jason cuts a square cardboard with an area of 576 centimeters square. So we know the area has been given to us as 576 centimeters square. Okay, now with an area of 576 centimeters square into 4 identical small squares. So he is cutting the big square into 4 identical squares. So basically he is making a cut. Okay, so we have to see, it says 4 identical squares. So we know identical means it will have the same sides and the areas. So this is also a trick to let us know, to help us find things. Okay, so the big square we are representing as B. Okay, and its area is given, and we know all the smaller squares 4 are identical. Now what we have to find it, what is the side length of each small square? So we can write this as Y. This is a small square, so we have to find this length. Okay, so we know the area of the big square, so we can quickly find the side of the big square. That will be square root of 576. How much will that be? We can quickly take out the root of 576. So 576 is an even number, so give 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, so this is again 2, this is an even number, 1 4 4, then 2 72, then 2 36, 2 18, 2 9, and then 3 and 3. So how many pairs do we have here? 1 of 2, 1 of 2, another of 2, and 1 of 3. So the square root will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how much will that be? 2s are 4, 4 into 6, 24. And we always write the unit. Okay, so now this is the side of the big square, 24 centimeter. So this whole length is 24. Now we have to find the y. How will we be able to find the y? If we know this much area and we know the full area, full length, and if we get to know this much length, then we'll be able to easily find y. Okay, so and this length we can say is equal because they are identical. So whatever will be the side of this will be the side of this square also. So we know the full side of the big square is 24 centimeter. Okay, also we can write the side of the big square as y plus y, right? This is the full side of the square as 24, and also this is the side, so we can write it as y plus y is equals to 24 centimeter. So 2 times y will be 24 centimeter. Then y will be, if 2 is getting multiplied by here, we'll divide the other side by 2. When it goes to the other side of the equation, multiplication becomes division. So it will give us what? 12 centimeter. So we can say the side of the small square comes out to be 12 centimeter. Okay. So I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.